Unleashing the power of shell scripting. Imagine having a personal assistant who never complains, works 24/7, and follows your instructions precisely. In the tech world, that assistant is called a shell script. Today, we will explore how shell scripting can automate tasks, simplify system management, and make you a command line wizard. First things first, what's a shell? Think of it as a translator between you and your operating system. You give commands, the shell processes them, and your computer does the work. Popular shells include Bash, ZSH, and the classic Korn Shell. Most Linux users prefer Bash. It's like the Swiss Army knife of shells. Now, why should you care about shell scripting? Well, imagine automating repetitive tasks like backups, monitoring system performance, or managing files. Shell scripts save time, reduce errors, and simplify complex workflows. It's like having a personal assistant for your computer. Third one, the structure of a shell script. Let's talk about how a shell script is built. Every shell script starts with a special line called the shebang, which tells the system what interpreter to use. For Bash, it's look like this. Then you add your commands, simple or complex. Ready for your first script? Fourth one, creating and running a shell script. Here's how to create a simple script in 3 easy steps. First one, create a file, nano myscript.sh. Second one, add commands, shebang/bin/bash, echo, hello world. Third one, make it executable and run it. chmod plus x myscript.sh /myscript.sh. That's it. We have created our first shell script. Next, we can check the key features of shell scripting. First one, variables. Storing data. Variables are like storage boxes where you keep values. Name equal to John, echo, hello, $name. The computer remembers John and greets him accordingly. Second one, control structures, making decisions. Want your script to make decisions? Use if statements as shown. Your computer now makes choices like a pro. Third one, loops, repeating tasks. Loops let your computer work tirelessly. Example, this script counts from 1 to 5 without a coffee break. Fourth one, functions, reusing code. Functions help avoid repeating yourself. Define once, use anywhere. Example. Fifth one, file operations, managing files. Need to create, read or delete files? Easy. To create a file, to read a file, to delete the file, your script just became your personal file manager. Now moving to the real world applications. Where does shell scripting shine? Practically everywhere. First one, automating backups. Keep your files safe. Second one, system monitoring. Check disk space and system health. Third one, data processing. Extract and filter data. Fourth one, app deployment. Roll out software updates with zero hassle. The possibilities are endless. With a few lines of code, you can transform how you manage tasks, automate routines, and even solve real world tech problems. Start scripting and watch your computer become the best assistant you have ever had. Happy coding.